Hey, this is Dr. Lindsey and Wendy, and we just joined the 21st century and got on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. All three of them are under Dr. William Lindsey. Wendy and I have done about 300 videos,
educational videos,
on facelifts and eyelids and hair restoration. And we've got lots of videos that we interview our patients in, and so you can get a really good idea of what our philosophy is here. This picture right here is a map in our office. We have a map that has pins in it from people that have flown in from all over the world. And in this view right here, Wendy's putting in a pin that we just had another person fly over from Perth, Australia for surgery. And we're always really proud to get people from overseas. And we've got people from all over the U.S., as is shown in this little view. And then lastly, in this view, I'm pointing at two pins out in the middle of the ocean. And those are people that live on these luxury yachts that flew in to have surgery. So
with us.
Yeah, and so we're always glad to have people from out of town or even in town. So if we can help you, please give us a call, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channels.
Or follow us.
Or follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thanks a lot.